one. Careful, be careful. Who wants one here? You sir? Okay. Only that? Okay, so folks, right here, if anybody wants more, let me know. Like schnapps because it's so strong. Okay, and this one here, this other one here, this one here, if I cut it, will come out some milk. That milk you have to be careful because if it falls on you, it's gonna make, because it's so acid, it's gonna make like a scar on your face, on your hand, or wherever it falls, the milk. That is why you have to be careful. Okay, so you see two different vines. And this one here you can use as so you have this here, the plastic, okay, but you cut 20 centimeters, and what you're doing here, you're making a magnifying glass. So you put this here like this. Oops. Of course you make it very much more, and then you see here, but you can only do this when it's hot sun.
Yeah.
And then you feel it, then you have your fire. Massage, right?
Oh.
This one not. This one here is when you have the flu. So this is the
Vicks Vapor Rub.
Vicks Vapor Rub, exactly. Okay, so you make the tea, you drink with, you put some garlic and you drink. This is when you're in the jungle. So basically, you wanted what, sir? A spray?
No, I'm good.
Okay,
I'm
you're
just
good.
playing with the Vicks.
Okay, no problem. So, so this tree here is called Pau Vicky. Pau Vicky. Okay, Vicks Vapor Rub.